Are you tired of constantly feeling the sting of high gas prices every time you fill up your tank? With the average American spending over $2,000 on gasoline every year, it's more crucial than ever to maximize your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Gas prices in Canada hit an all-time high in 2022 of $2.42 a liter. That's $9.16 a gallon. That being said, let's dive into the top 10 tips and tricks on how to save on fuel and how to increase your fuel economy. 1. Regular maintenance is a critical aspect of maximizing fuel efficiency and keeping your truck running smoothly. Here are some of the key tasks that should be included in your truck's regular maintenance plan. Oil changes. Regularly check and do oil changes, as oil is essential for keeping your engine lubricated and running smoothly. Dirty oil can cause friction and increase engine wear, reducing fuel efficiency and potentially causing serious damage. It's been found that a fresh oil change can increase fuel economy by up to 2%. That doesn't sound like much, but that could be 5 to 10 more miles per tank of fuel. Air filter replacements. Your truck's air filter is responsible for filtering out contaminants from the air that's taken in by your engine. A dirty air filter can reduce the amount of air flowing into the engine, reducing its performance and fuel efficiency. Alignment checks. Misaligned wheels can also increase rolling resistance and reduce fuel efficiency. Have your truck's alignment checked regularly to ensure it's tracking straight and true. Brake maintenance. Regular brake maintenance, including checking pads and rotors, can also help improve fuel efficiency. Rubbing brake pads can cause your truck to work harder to maintain speed, reducing fuel efficiency. Number 2, lighten your load. The heavier your truck, the more fuel it will consume. So try to lighten your load by removing unnecessary items from the bed or cab. Take a look at the items you are carrying in the bed or cab of your truck and remove anything that is not essential. This can include tools, equipment, and other items that you don't need on a regular basis. Though, in the winter, you may want to add more weight to the bed of your truck to give better traction to your rear tires. So sometimes there are trade-offs. Number 3, avoid aggressive driving. Rapid acceleration and speeding can significantly reduce fuel efficiency. Try to maintain a steady speed and drive smoothly. This could be as simple as after a red light or a stop sign, keeping the RPMs down in your vehicle to avoid a rapid acceleration. Try to avoid speeding. Speeding increases the wind resistance, requiring your truck or vehicle to work harder to maintain speed and reducing fuel efficiency. Stick to the speed limit and drive at a safe and reasonable speed. Number 4, reduce idling. Idling can waste a lot of fuel, especially if you're doing it for long periods of time. If you're going to be stopped for more than a minute, turn off your engine. This also applies to remote start to warm up your vehicle on those cold winter mornings. Doing this will dramatically increase fuel consumption. Number 5, use cruise control. Maintaining a steady speed on the highway can help improve fuel efficiency. Consider using cruise control when appropriate. Cruise control should be used in flat terrain situations, since it is more fuel efficient to increase speed going downhills and decrease speed going uphills. Number 6, drive at a fuel efficient speed. Driving at a speed of 60 to 65 miles per hour is generally the most fuel efficient speed. According to Chevrolet, the 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 with the 5.3 V8 engine and the 6-speed automatic transmission can achieve optimal fuel economy between 55 and 60 miles per hour. However, this is just a general guideline, and your specific fuel economy may vary based on a number of factors, including your engine type, your transmission, your vehicle weight, road conditions, and driving habits. Number 7, avoid using the air conditioning. Using the air conditioning in your vehicle can decrease your fuel economy due to the extra energy required to power the AC system. When you turn on the AC, the engine has to work harder to pump refrigerant through the system, which can result in decreased fuel economy. Instead of using the air conditioning, you can try to use natural ventilation by keeping the windows open, especially at lower speeds. If you guys have watched Mythbusters, they've tested this and found that with 2 identical SUVs on a test track, the SUV with the windows down traveled 15 miles farther than the vehicle running the AC before running out of fuel. Number 8, properly inflated tires. Properly inflated tires can improve fuel efficiency by reducing rolling resistance. Check your tire pressure regularly. Overinflated tires can reduce tire traction, increase the risk of blowouts, reduce the life of your tires, and also reduce fuel efficiency by causing the vehicle to bounce on the road road, increasing rolling resistance. So make sure your tires are properly inflated to the specified PSI. Number 9, plan your route. Taking the most direct route to your destination can help reduce fuel consumption. Consider using a GPS or mapping app to help plan the most efficient route. Google Maps has a great feature now that will show you the most fuel efficient route when available. Number 10, drive a newer vehicle. I know this isn't applicable to all people, but if possible, consider upgrading to a newer vehicle. Newer vehicles generally are more fuel efficient. The latest trucks often have better aerodynamics and more advanced engine technology, which can significantly improve your fuel efficiency. By following these simple tips and tricks, you can make a noticeable impact on your vehicle's fuel economy and save money at the pumps. Remember, even small changes can add up to big savings over time. Whether you implement one or all of these suggestions, every little bit helps. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys found this video useful. I definitely found this useful doing the research, and I was able to find some tips that were going to help me moving forward with better fuel efficiency, and I hope you guys do too. If you're not already, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.